National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, eastern Perry County in central Arkansas, west central Pulaski County in central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County in central Arkansas, east central Garland County in central Arkansas, until 7 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a confirmed tornado. This tornado was located near Lake Balboa, or 15 miles northeast of Hot Springs. Doppler radar showed a severe storm moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this tornado include Lake Maumelle, Lake Conway, Williams Junction, Toadsuck, Roland, Pinnacle Mountain, Morgan, Mayflower, Maumelle, Marche, Little Italy, Lake Winona, Lake Sylvia, Lake Doral, Lake Lago, Lake Coronado, Lake Balboa, Hot Springs Village. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 132 and 144. The line of storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the